paper lining and plastic lining without opening the bag. A step of home visit, di ba pag sud ka pa lang mato, magsalam na kamo, mag-hit na kamo, then pesog na kamo sin nakadap ng client. Pos mga sugo na kamo ma'am, ang kapagbutangan ko sa panya po, all naman yan to table. So assuming yari nakitalon sin bag. So open the bag without open. Kaya remove the paper lining and the plastic lining without opening the bag and spread it on the table. Amuin malanok surface into avoid sin pasyente or the client. In urine, dapat awak siya. Kasi in paper lining and plastic lining, amuin surface clean. Amuin ita, ha? Dapat malanok. Then, put your PHN bag on the left side of the paper lining. And make sure the strap of the bag doesn't touch in any part of the patient things. Kasi diba, in panyapsin pasyente is considered to be contaminated. So, in strap of the bag, put it on the under of your PHN bag. Then, open the bag. Remove the towel lining together with your towel and your soap dish and place it on the upper right side of your paper lining. So, dapat din doon. Then, close the bag. So, dito nakita niyo a patient or a family. That's the time mga sugo kita ma'am ang kapaguwas ang kulima. Along naman ito lababo. So, maguwas na kamo sa lima. So, assuming iniin lababo. So, you will now perform hand washing. Galing steps in hand washing. Kilupahan.
Palm to palm.
Palm. Pahuhos.
Dorsal.
Kilupahan yan. Yung kalupahan. Important yan, ha? Then, ano next? Very good. Tapos, diba?
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Then, ang pamag, hugas. Tapos, use of towel to dry your hands thoroughly. Once na nag-use pala ka morelo or any jewelry, dapat i-remove ka. So now, I will open again my PHN bag. Since I will be performing the Benedict and the acetic acid, so among ito yung mga article igwa ko. So first, apron, my clean gloves, then my plastic bag, so later use. Pinaka-important pala, needed tayong big space for paper and plastic lining, ha? Upo namin siwig-siwig lang.
Yes.
Kasi kita niyo yung panyat na matao. So, for our waste paper bag, ano siya ibutang? Alaw makuha?
Agua.
Agua. Kasi malunggi. So, bangon space pa din di, pwede mo ibutang. So, siya rin pa niya po, dito na lang ibutang so, doon siya, agwa. Then, may cotton balls and alcohol. Tapos, the solutions. Benedict. Denatured solution. And our acetic solution. Kidney basin. So, yarin another glass para later pag patinduhan ko yung test tube. And the alcohol lamp. Before mo i-close, make sure all the articles are kagwa or out. I-check muna, mangyari na katan. Okay. Then close the bag. So, wear your apron. Guys, ito mo po ka. Assume na lang ha. Kung makakatawa ka, nakawa na ka. Kaya ako naka-ready. Assuming. Nakanta ka mo eh. Tapos unin next. Before I will use my clean gloves, first, i-remove ko muna in half of the articles. Kasi bang kita naka-gloves, then kapag kita mag-ising sa on tendency, mapilit in
Gloves.
gloves.
Okay.
Solution na naman.
Denatured solution. Anda ka mo. Kasi ang medyo mag-light sin alcohol lang. Denatured solution. So, may tako pagbiyanin mo. Para easily absorb in alcohol marin pa, kakanain mo. So now, since naka-prepare na yun yung solution ko, tapos i-remediate it, now I will use my clean gloves. So, since, di ba, validity test, ang kita to urine sample, i-perform ko first is the normal urine. Later na in non-diabetic. So, before we proceed to the validity test, uning instruct ng patient. Di ba, amuin to wash the perineum with water and soap. Tapos, i-collect in urine in midstream. Then, mag-wipe in bottle before it and it back to you, and label the container with complete name and pangunahing test i-perform. Tapos, how many drops of urine?
6 to 8.
8 drops of urine. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, in nagamit na medicine dropper ay urine, kung ibutang din dito, dapat kagwa ka. Then next, how many ml of Benedict solution? 3 to 5 ml. So, how many ml of this medicine dropper? Hindi kasi ka mo concentrate. Mamaya talaga kang mahabot siya ang book fish in 1 ml. Bang di umabot 1 ml, it's okay as long as pipita mo bang pila. Example, pagkawa mo 0.6 or later on, kanapan mo bang pinipula. So, 3 to 5 ml, di ba? Simbiyaw, nakawa ko is 0.6. So, kulang ako 0.4 para may lang siya 1 ml. Then, 1 ml. So, 1 ml and 0.6. So, another 1 ml. 2.6 na siya. Then, pilay ko lang 4. Then next, light the alcohol lamp. Using a test tube holder, hold your test tube. Ang kaiba ng test tube holder, mahaloy. So, uningin namon, bukod i-pinch nyo biyaan. Kasi once na i-pinch biyaan, yung tendency, mahulog yung test tube. So, slowly, biyaan. Ha? Then, bring it boil. Noting the mouth of the test tube, dapat away from me and away to the patient. Kasi ang sa tendency mag-explode or mustap or maglasar yung hini. Mag-12 na, diba? So, let's stand for 1 minute. Close the alcohol lamp and let interpret the result later. So, since subos na ako sin normal urine, itakita ko kami biyaw ng magic. So, min magic. Kami na diabetic kita, ha? Ay, man sa mga istorya, wa? Himang na diabetic, tulong ka kami. Diba? Ethics ta. Pansin, health assessment and punda. Dapat confidential. Kamu lang kasi love ta kami. So, biyaon urine itasin, diabetic 6 to 8 drops of urine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bila balikin benefit?
3 to 5 ml.
So, 1 ml, lagi pa siya din na 1 ml. So, 2 ml. 3 ml. Hinug pa mo. Kamu kakita si Mata. Aba, pwede yung test yung pagkain mo na. Serban maraw, dilat ang inyong mata.
Gawin ko ni sabihin.
Oo eh.
Wait ko biya uwi.
Stuck na yun.
Uwi.
Kasabo.
Start na, diba? Start. Mag-wow ka mo sa actually nasususa ako.
Ay, nag-yellow na.
Wait, di pa yan siya ma-interpret mo. Kasi di ba later ako niya 1 minute. So, di ba kita kasi ang Mountain Dew iniwan sinigil. Amin 24/7. Wait pa, 1 minute time. Ha? So, another. So, biyaw, nungos na kita simpianin. Uno na, acetic acid. For acetic acid, pilain urine. 2/3. So, in 2/3, daw mo tungod. Diba, katungtuman nyo lang in numerator and denominator?
Yes.
Yung denominator, in 1 whole. Tiwo-upload niya, ha? So, since simpya nga yung 2/3. So, example, lang na 2/3, yung denominator, 3. So, in test tube lang na bagay yung equally to 3 parts. So, simpya nga yung is 2, kasi nabawaw niya numerator is 2. So, 2/3. So, 1, 2, and 3. So, dapat inurin mo tugtog doon, ha? So, syempre, amin na yung normal urine. Tapos mga hindi yan ng pako-pako, hindi problem, hindi na ako masusak, girl. Pag ini mamintang mo sa kasi last sem, last year, bukod pa orange, yellow din pa. Positive 2. So, ini pagkakahibasin Benedict and the acetic acid. Bang in Benedict test, together with the solutions, i-boil ka mag-fluid. But for the acetic, urine na lang muna. Because once it boils, then we may add the 5 drops of acetic acid, one at a time. Inihit mo amoy upper portion lang. Amin na taas at daha, buko namin din di mo i-boil, amin niya yung taas. Dari ka mo sumukman. Good mo lang doon na taas part. Basta noting the amount of the test tube, dapat away a patient and away from you. So, nag-burn na siya, diba? Then, dapat make sure in lab mo, always siya naka-close. Hindi mo kayo nga trangkabos ka kung ka. So, in acetic acid, pila drops? 5 drops, 1 at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, mayroon siya gawin or parang out-button alaw doon na baga. Sa bangka ko mariaw. Ayun na ako pa stress ako. Okay na. So, it is negative or positive?
Negative.
So, in urine niya, for Benedict, uno, ang siya blue, pero ang siya cloudy. So, positive or negative?
Positive one.
Negative ba? Kasi in negative, clear blue and cloudy, di ba? In positive one is bluish green. Nagpapumpak mo ako? Siyempre. Oh, proud pa. Uno color?
Orange.
So, uno? Positive. Oh my God. Stress na isa. So, amo na yan to in urine test. So, next, matukita pa bag technique. So, before I will clean my articles, I will first remove my gloves, my tack. Kasi nakakumpit na kita kain na urine. Bang mag-clean to using with gloves, useless. Gaman na contaminate in articles mo. Then, assuming, iniuwasan dapat abahay sing pasyente with running water and soap. So, since way kita dahil dito, i-set aside namin yan. Set aside ko na lang. So, next, matukita pa bag technique. In first is, I will clean my articles using the cotton balls and the alcohol.
Share ka nga po kare.
Inakubina, mag-lumos bakit pa. Bakit punta ka mo?
Bye, ma'am.
So, i-clean ka muna in.
Serve.
Then next, after cleaning, next, I will now perform hand washing. So, hand wash na ako. Then, prince and bride jewelry. So I will now open my PHM bag and return all the articles accordingly. So my solutions. So, dapat bang ka community ingkit ni basin agitong pa rin ha. So, since way ko kaya agwasan, agwa siya. So, now, you will remove your apron. So, which part of the apron is considered to be dirty? The front or the
Front.
The front.
So, bearing dapat mag-locate.
Palaw mean front.
Palaw.
Palawan, very good. So, dapat, yan. Then, ini-inyusin
Plastic.
plastic bag. Then, return your apron. Tapos, di ba ka na nausaw tain? Towel. And the towel lang yung soap dish. So, dapat naka-plastic kasi nabasa siya. Close the bag. And report. Magsulat na kami. Maghipakita mo yun. So, once na nakasulat, yan na in notebook, yung bag ko. Next is, we will now remove the PHN bag. Para unuin eh. Pamunin mo. Ibugit. So, amo na lang. Yes, mamaid na ka mo, patient mo. Sen ini, kaya uwasa na basang kaya balik na. Inining naasag ka na rin. So, ganun lang. So, okay na, copy na.